In this video, I'm going to show you my whole outlook and forecast on HLBZ for absolutely free. And let's get right into the video without wasting time. Looking at the bottom right corner, we got the performance, and here we have the chart. So bottom right corner, you and me, okay? I'm not making this stuff up. 95% down in the past year. We can both see this thing, right? We can both see the number. It's pretty big number in the past year. So we also have gotten like pretty bad performance in the 6 months too. Yeah, from the start of the year, we are up. Like a bunch of the stocks are, at least like what I'm, at least like what I'm covering. But overall, Helbiz has been in a very big bearish trend ever since starting from right here. Let's say 1st of October 2021. I'm gonna say like 1.5 years. But yeah, like not even a break on the weekly chart. So this is like what kind of sold me off. We have seen just wicks. This is just like pure manipulation going on, like right here. My thoughts are looking to deliver at least to below this 11-cent lows. So that if I go to the 1 hour chart, my prediction looks something like this. So I'm very bearish on HLBZ until we see some actual kind of upside moves. So if I see confirmations in here, we might also look for upside moves in here because this is very controversial. We are in a demand area on the 3-day chart. But yeah, let me know your